Julia, come on. We'll be back. Where'd the sun go?
That was a sense of gay so much. She wished there was a way to make it faster.
Wait, I'm wrong. Are you okay? You okay? Good morning, FLLS fam. Can y'all see me? Maybe it's better y'all don't see me. Good morning, FLLS fam, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator, and here on the channel I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. I look a hot mess. I literally just woke up. Can't believe I'm coming on the camera. I need to update y'all. It feels like this is a life update channel. If you're not sure about what's going on, head over to my Instagram. I'm gonna pop it right here. Head over to my Instagram and see what major life update happened yet again. Someone in my comments mentioned, she said, you've been making some power moves and I'm here for it. And I thought about it and I said, I'm not making the moves like with the intention of it being power moves, but it seems like I'm making a lot of leaps of faith. Anyway, I made a big decision to choose family and mental health over money, power, and positions. So head on over to my Instagram channel so you can see what's going on. A separate video is coming up regarding that, and I'm glad to sit down and share with y'all what's going on. For those of you that don't know, I am a lawyer and I relocated to the Atlanta, Georgia area to help take care of my mom. And in this world, there are people that are in support of that, and there are people that are not. There are people that believe in work-life balance, and there are people that don't. I will say that my boss, my supervisor, amazing, and her boss, amazing. But yeah, life update. So stay tuned for that video. In the meantime, we have a lot of projects going on today. We're spray painting today. We have a little visitor that's in the house. Say something so they can know you're here. Y'all heard him? So I'm about to head downstairs and make breakfast for my mom and for him, my nephew. And then we're gonna jump into spray painting projects, DIY, all home decor stuff that I'm trying to rehabilitate, revive, and pull into my current theme. And then we got chores to do, laundry, just the regular weekend type of agenda. Somebody's at the front door. That might be a package. Also cannot wait to let y'all know what I'm doing in regards to just personal wellness, getting back into meal prepping. I'm gonna pop that video somewhere here so that y'all can see. Your girl used to be serious about meal prepping and I am trying to get back to that. Just so much going on. I took some time off and I want to stick to this schedule. I will be able to now of posting at least 2 to 3 times a week, but I took some time off because we had a scare with my mom one night, actually 1 week ago, last week Friday, and it shook me up because I was here by myself with her. And so she's doing fine now, she's okay, but take the time when you need the time. Don't get tied up on a schedule and promises that you've made. A schedule can always be followed once you jump back in and get yourself together. And I had to get myself together because that was scary. Anyway, can't wait to continue on with where we left off. The last video was the dining room buffet, and today we are pulling more furniture in by doing lots of DIY. All right, let's go and get started. Is that a dimple? Is that a dimple? Oh my God, is that a dimple? Let me get that dimple. Let me get that dimple. Let me get that baby. I saw a dimple in his cheek. Okay, ready to paint?
First speed chain of the day. It's worth it.
What happened? What is going on with the jeans? Wait, come around here. Go show grandma. Go show grandma. What happened to the jeans, yo? Look, grandma, look. Show grandma, go back here. Wait, go. What happened to the Oh, I can't make this stuff up. Okay, wait, what happened now? It's a hole. Oh, it's a ripped jean. Yeah. So you put your foot through the hole? Okay, wait, let me see you go back. Okay, wait. Okay, so you gotta put your foot back down into the jean. So your foot is coming through the hole. Oh my God. When I saw that on the staircase, I was weak. Oh, go in the bathroom and change.
A letter below wind.
Go in the bathroom. Thank you for my laugh. You just made my day. All right, time to pull this baby out and get to spray painting. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and take the stuff off. Ouch, I stepped on my toe. All right, let's take this stuff off. Where'd the sun go?
What? She wished there was a way to make it faster.
Wait, I'm wrong. Are you okay? Okay.
Irresistible scent collection.
With depression.
So we're outside. We have everything we need. Grandma is in. I watched her game show network, so that's what we'll do. While she's in there, we'll be out here working. We have our spray paint. It's the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Ultra Cover Paint and Primer in Canyon Black. I used to paint homes, and I would always use satin paint. I don't have that thing. I just have a cookie that my neighbor gave me that's going down my throat the wrong way. I do not have that thing. Anyway, we're using satin because when I used to paint, I loved the finish of satin. There's flat, there's eggshell, there's satin, there's semi-gloss, there's high gloss. I don't want it to be too shiny, so I kind of want it to be like in between, but not flat where it's getting scuffed easily. So we're using the satin finish, and I got 4 cans. I think 4 cans would be enough. My nephew's over there talking to the neighbor's dog, which is so sweet, but we're gonna go ahead and get started with or without him. You ready, Paul? You talking to your puppy? So I'm gonna go ahead and pull my hair up. Oh, before I do that. Oh, is that a bee? Oh, come on, Julian, come on. We'll be back. Let me turn the camera off. That bee ain't gonna burn my battery. Okay, I think we're gonna spray paint on the grass because I don't want any traces of paint on the concrete at all. I'm hot and I haven't started. We're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, let's go. Okay, so we got our setup. We were gonna do it on the concrete, so that's why I bought the plastic, but we decided to just go on the grass. I mean, the grass gets cut, but I don't even know why we got plastic on the grass. Let's get this party started. You ready?
Yes.
Pull that back for me on this side.
Huh?
Pull that back. There you go, buddy. There you go. Good job, bud. You're doing it. Good job, buddy. There you go, bud. Yes. Get the white spots. Don't go so close. See, you're making a drizzle. Making a drizzle. Don't go so close. Spray, like move around while you're doing it. You're leaving me? You're leaving me? Oh, you are the worst. Appreciate your help. Bye. He's over there talking to his backyard instead of helping me. But it's all good. Good job, buddy.
I forgot what shop.
Oh, bye-bye. Huh? Y'all, do y'all think I should do this print or this print? I don't know. I think we're gonna probably do some color. I'm not sure. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Yes, I'm loving it. Oh, I'm loving it. Turned out so beautifully. Oh, I love it. What do y'all think? Should I do some color? I really like the black and white concept. I gotta move that sticker, take that wrapper off of my plunger and brush set, but what do y'all think? I think I might do some color. Anyway, see you in the next video. Full bathroom makeover. This was just a DIY video, but I cannot wait. Might do some bath rugs or bath mat and some artwork and then a couple other things. Stay tuned. Thank y'all so much for tuning in.